Hi, my name is Lindsay Wing, instructional designer here at Baker College, and I'm going to be walking you through a few slides for course design training. The first thing to note is our online to on-ground course comparison. All courses at Baker College have a total of 1,000 points. Each course has 700 common assessment points. This means that no matter the modality, online or face-to-face, 700 of the total 1,000 points are the same. This usually includes things like tests, projects, major assignments, etc. Once those 700 common assessment points have been established, there are still 300 points to allocate. For OL, these 300 points are usually comprised of discussion activities and engagement. The suggested point breakdown is as follows. Discussion activities. 8 modules at 20 points apiece is 160 points, and engagement, 1 module at 21 points, and 7 modules at 17 points is a total of 140. So 160 and 140 makes up your 300 points. For face-to-face, those 300 points are used as instructor discretionary points. You may want to provide suggestions for how instructors build out those 300 points. Anything you submit will be included in instructor resources in your Canvas shell, or you may leave it totally up to the individual instructors. Here is some info on our course templates. We have designed our courses using the Quality Matters rubric. Quality Matters is an independent organization dedicated to the best practices in online teaching and learning. And there's more information about Quality Matters in your course shells. We start with the student learning outcomes, which can be accessed through the Baker website. The SLOs may or may not change based on the depth of your revisions, so I won't spend a great deal of time talking about SLOs here. But the resource and assignment chart, or the RAC, is our main course template. Here is our resource and assignment chart. It is the main storyboarding document when it comes to course design, and it's intended for faculty. It includes the readings, the common assessments, and the SLO alignments to those readings and assessments. It is very important to have consistent naming structures for assignments, so Project 1 is always called Project 1, and not First Project, Main Project, etc. Also, since you're working on both OL and F2F courses, please do not refer to module in the title of things. For example, if you have a Module 2 lab in an OL course, the same assignment won't be in Module 2 for the face-to-face class. So please use the name of the lab or Lab 2 or something similar. Once you complete the RAC, the other 2 documents are for student use. I'd start with the assignment summary. This document should include the module readings and any assignments for that particular module. For OL courses, we tend to put the day of the week when assignments are due. For example, DQs are typically due on Wednesdays, so write Wednesday in the box. For face-to-face assignment summaries, you can just put the module in which something is due, as we don't know which particular day of the week because classes meet on different days. Again, please remember to use the exact same assignment titles as you used on the RAC. Lastly, please complete the Learning Outcomes and Assignment Alignment Table. This document is so students can see the relationship between the readings and assignments and the SLOs. Once the RAC is complete, this document is fairly easy to build by copying and pasting from the RAC. There are separate recordings for Trello and for the publisher demos, so I'll not spend my time on those here. Finally, Bob and I are here to help, so please feel free to reach out. Our contact info is listed here. Please be sure to take note of our fall 2019 dates. So, if you intend to run the course for the first time in fall of 2019, the book selection must be finalized by April 22nd, and the material is due to the ID team by May 20th. Thanks so much for your time and attention.